Convert string, June 1st, 2005, 1:33 p.m. into datetime. How do I convert the following string to a datetime object?
Datetime.stoptime passes an input string in the user-specified format into a timezone-naive datetime object. To obtain a date object using an existing datetime object, convert it using .date. Links: Stoptime docs, Python 2, Python 3. Stoptime/stoptime format string docs, Python 2 or Python 3. strftime.org format string cheat sheet. Notes: Stoptime equals string pass time. Stoptime equals string format time.
Use the third-party Datetime library. It can handle most date formats and is more convenient than Stoptime since it usually guesses the correct format. It is also very useful for writing tests, where readability is more important than performance. Install it with
Check out Stoptime in the time module. It is the inverse of Stoptime.
I have put together a project that can convert some really neat expressions. Check out timestring. Here are some examples below. Pip install timestring.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.